Hi everyone. This session we are going to see about emitter coupled logic. This is belonging to the bipolar transistor logic family. Hope you are now familiar with the characteristics of all the logic families explained in the previous videos. We'll now go through a gist of what are the characteristics that are very important while designing a logic family. So in that first one is fan-in. What is fan-in? It is the number of inputs that the gate can handle properly without disturbing the output level. What is fan-out? The number of inputs that can be driven simultaneously by the output without disturbing the output levels. Coming to noise immunity. Noise immunity is the ability of the logic circuit to tolerate the noise voltage. Followed by noise margin. It is the quantitative measure of noise immunity. It is the quantitative measure of noise immunity. Coming to propagation delay. It is the gate. It is the average transition delay time for the signal to propagate from the input to the output. It is measured in nanoseconds. Coming to threshold voltage, the voltage at which the circuit changes from one state to another state. Hope you're all having a good idea about all these properties or all these characteristics of logic family. Yes, to our topic, and a few more are operating speed. The speed of operation of the logic gate is the time that elapses between the given input and getting output. And what is power dissipation? The power dissipation is defined as the power needed by the logic circuit. Coming to ours, emitter coupled logic, it is actually a non-saturated digital logic family. The output of this logic family is providing an OR function and an OR function. Each input is connected to the base of the transistor, which means whatever input we are going to give is connected to the base of the transistor. So once again, it's a non-saturated digital logic family belonging to the bipolar transistors group. The propagation rate is as low as 1 to 2 nanoseconds, which means it is supposed to be the highest speed logic family under the classification of bipolar transistors. It is used mostly in high speed circuits. That is what I told, right? Noise immunity and power dissipation is the worst of all the logic families. Probably this is the worst characteristic of emitter coupled logic. Here all the voltages are in negative levels, that is the highest level of voltage that we are using in this ECL is minus 0.8 volts and the lowest level of voltage that we are going to use is minus 1.6 volts, which means this is logic 1 and this is logic 0, right? So what are the components or what are the necessary things present in the circuit diagram of an emitter coupled logic family? First is a differential input amplifier. Then second one is internal temperature and voltage compensated bias network followed by emitter follower output. Circuit diagram. These two transistors are now switched off. What happens? So what happens when these two transistors are at lower level, which means minus 1.6 volts, the transistors are turned off. That is Q1 and Q2 are turned off, which means it allows Q3 to conduct. Then at this point, only a 0 volts is applied to the base of the transistor Q5, which is turning it off. So the output logic of the OR gate is now 0. So at the same time, the potential at the other transistor, that is which is applied to the base of Q6 is the supply voltage VCC. So which makes it to turn on. So the output of the NOR logic will be at higher level, that is at 1. So for the rest of the conditions, what is happening? A equal to 0, B equal to 0. This is one condition. A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, and A equal to 1 and B equal to 0. So the corresponding transistor is Q turned on and Q3 is turned off because its voltage needs at least 0.6 volts to start conduction on. An input of minus 0.8 volt causes the transistor to conduct and apply minus 1.6 volts on the remaining emitters. So therefore what happens? Q3 is cut off. The voltage in the resistor R2 flows into the base of Q5, which means that is the VCC is flowing. Then Q5 is turned on. Then hence the output logic is at 1. At the same point, the voltage applied to the transistor Q6 is 0 volts, which is driving it to turn off. So the NOR output logic is 0. So this is actually the operation of an ECL logic family. So hence the characteristics can be summarized as propagation delay is very low, that is lesser than 1 nanoseconds, which drives it to be the fastest logic family. And ECL circuit usually operates with negative supplies. Positive terminal is connected to the ground. Thank you.